Hello. As electric vehicle charging stations become more widespread, the need for flexible, adaptable solutions in energy management is critical. Carlo Gavazzi's DCM1 DC meter is designed specifically for electric vehicle fast charging stations, offering flexible installation options that make it easy to integrate into a variety of setups. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of the DCM1's flexible installation and how it can simplify the deployment of EV charging infrastructure. EV charging stations can be installed in diverse environments, from commercial parking lots to industrial facilities or public spaces. Each charging station presents unique challenges in terms of space, layout, and integration. The DCM1's splitted design permits you to have the display and the measuring unit in the best positions, improving customer experience during the charging sessions and simplifying the installation. The DCM1 meter is engineered with versatility in mind. Its compact size allows it to fit into tight spaces, while its modular design supports easy integration with a wide range of EV chargers. The meter's installation options include Ethernet and serial communication, giving you the flexibility to choose the most convenient method based on your charger's requirements. This adaptability ensures that the DCM1 can be installed quickly and efficiently, saving both time and costs during setup. For charging station manufacturers, flexible installation translates to several key benefits. First, it simplifies the deployment process, allowing you to adapt to design-specific challenges without the need for costly modifications. Second, it ensures that the charging stations can be easily expanded or upgraded as demand grows, future-proofing your investment. Finally, it allows you to satisfy the requirements of different projects with the same product. To learn more about how the DCM1 can streamline your EV charging projects, visit our website or contact us today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.